What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today, due to popular demand, my inbox is freaking full with questions about the Dodge Charger. So today we're gonna go over every single mod that's done to the Charger. So let's get into this video. Let's go!
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for following SRT Dad, and if you're not following me yet, you better hit that subscribe button. All right, YouTube, so I made a video like this before I even cammed my car a few years ago, and I kind of mentioned the prices of everything, but this time around, I'm not going to mention the prices. I'm just going to tell you where I got everything from. There will be a link in the descriptions. A lot of them will be Amazon links, and I have to let you guys know that I am partnered with Amazon. I am in their affiliate program, so I will be receiving commission if you guys do hit that click. If you do click those links, so I'd appreciate it. All right, let's get started with this. So we're gonna start on the outside of the car. Let's start up front, okay? The first thing you're gonna notice is this front lip right here. It's really big. This you guys cannot buy, all right? This is no longer available, but this is a Danko Reproductions front lip for the 2006 through 2010 Dodge Charger SRT8s. There is an RT version as well. I had one, I broke it, I got a second one. I will put the number of the owner, his personal number on here if you want to give him a call. That's what I did. He had a couple left. He gave me one. They are not cheap. I think they run for like 400 something bucks. I know I wasn't gonna mention prices, but yeah, that's how much that cost, okay? So staying in the front right here, you guys will notice that I have halo rings, okay, on the headlights and the fog lamps here, and they are operated by my phone. Let me get my app out right here. Give me a second. I don't know if you'll see them in the daytime, but I'll go ahead and turn them on. I have them on right there. Let's put it red. You can see yellow. It has multiple functions. I could make it pretty much do whatever I want, but there you go. Go any color that I want, but there it is. Red, you can't really see, but this like bluish color, you can see it. I like that color. All right, let's go ahead and turn them off. All right, well, there's that, okay? Okay, so staying up front right here, these headlights are stock, okay? They're stock headlights. They just have the halo rings installed. They are installed by my boy Omar. His company is called Glow Optics. If you guys want to hit him up if you live in Arizona, or even if you want to drop your car off over here in Arizona, he can install halos. He can do so much more. He can do lighting work. He can do an infinite amount of things, so hit him up, all right? These corner lights, okay, they are from Amazon. I got them off Amazon. Like I said, the links will be in the description, but they're all black. I like how they look. And these have not popped out. Those of you Charger owners know that these always pop out. These have not popped out on me, and they've been tested at high speeds in Mexico, all right? Okay, so up front, that's pretty much it. That's aftermarket. You guys will notice the stripes. So the stripes were installed by my guy at Arnon Customs. That's his company's name. He installed them himself. These are not, you cannot buy these stripes. They're custom. I forgot the sizes, but you can see my hand's a little over 6 inches. So it's like, I think it's like 10-inch stripes, I want to say, with the little, the outer stripe as well. That's the look that this car has. It looks really good. Okay, moving along. Going to the wheels, all right, wheels. These are Hellcat replica wheels. I got them off eBay a long time ago. Got them real cheap. I think it was like 700 bucks for all four. You can get them off Amazon. So the fronts right here are 9.5 by 20, obviously. I still have the Brembo calipers here. The rotors, they are from R1 Concepts. And like I said, I'll put the link for these exact rotors. I've had them for a couple years already. They're really good. There's a full video on it as well. If you guys look through my channel, you'll see me testing them out. They're still like, they work like new. The pad life on the brakes are still really good. And then this right here is just this SRT sticker. I think it's on Amazon as well. If not, I'll make sure I put the link on there. The tires are a 2-rows AZ850s. Like I said, there'll be a link on that as well. They are 275/40/20s. And then moving along right here, you'll see this custom badge right here. This is made by Snowcat Custom, or Snow, what was it called? I want to say Snowcat Customs. I'll make sure to put the ad on here. If I got the name wrong, I apologize. This is a corner light right here, a side marker light. It's functional. It already came with the car. So moving on along right here, you'll see the sunroof decal. It says SRT Dad. Also Snowcat Customs made that for me. All right, we're staying on the outside right here. So the rear wheel, this is gonna be a 20 by 10 and a half. 20 by 10 and a half, okay? Hellcat replica 5 spokes. Again, I'll put the link from Amazon on here, and the tires are the same, the Turo AZ850s, except these are 315 3520s, and there is very, very minimal rubbing, if not barely any. I took the tires out already. There was nothing noticeable that, you know what I mean, that gave me any concerns, okay? Moving on the back over here, we have what everybody likes to ask for. This is a stock Hellcat spoiler, okay? A stock Hellcat spoiler. And then this wicker bill right here, I believe it's, I forget the company, but it's the V3 design, I believe. Like I said, if I get it wrong, I'll make sure I put the link. I'll put a picture as well. But there it is, okay? You can see how it looks. I don't know what the lighting looks like right now, but you can see how it looks. The tail lights are smoked tail lights. I believe that's what the company's called. These are not cheap either, but they look really good. They're really clean. These are not just tinted. These are professionally done. This SRT8 logo, I believe I got it on eBay a long time ago. I'll try to find a link for that. It's kind of faded. It used to be white, now it's yellowish, but it looks good in that color, I'm not gonna lie. And then you can see the stripes in the back right here. The rear diffuser, this is a carbon fiber rear diffuser. You kind of see it's kind of like chipping now. It's getting older, I might have to buy a new one again. These are just screwed in, guys, all right? You have to take the tabs off and screw them in. Like I said, I have a video of that as well. And then I have these little carbon fiber dipped little side things here. I forget what they're called. And then up back as well, I have carbon exhaust tips, 5-inch tips. Make the car look really meaty in the back. Okay. Like I said, I don't know how the lighting is right now, but there you go. Okay, and then I also have mud flaps on the sides. These were custom made by a dude from Hawaii. So these can't be bought anywhere, but he basically just cut them out for me and I was able to just put them in myself, okay? Let's see, anything else up front that I missed? Oh yes, and this rear window spoiler, I forget the company. I'll put the at, like I said, I can't remember everything on top of my head, but I'll put the at and a picture of where I got it from, and I'll make sure to link it as well, okay? I believe it's called a rear roof spoiler. And then, oh yes, these. All right, so I think I got these on Car ID. They're GTS little rain guards. I like them because they're on the inside of the windshield, not on the outside. It looks more, it's a cleaner look. Let's see, anything else I missed back here? No, SR1 concept sticker there. All right, let's go to the inside of the car. All right, so on the inside here, we have this custom carbon fiber steering wheel. This is from Zen Carbon Fiber. You can see here, it also has paddle shifters, okay? So these paddle shifters are functional, but the only way you can get them to work, at least in these 2008 or 2009 and up models, I think it's 2008 and up, you have to get what's called a Transformer Gen 1, okay? This is what it looks like. Transformer Gen 1, it kind of looks like this. I have mine on the bottom. It's plugged down there. You have to rewire it. In the bottom there, it's kind of complicated, but it's not, I mean, you know, I had to get help from Omar as well. There's a video on it, a full video on it. What else I have here? I have this Diablo Sport Tuner, a Trinity, I believe, the platinum one. I don't use it really. Sometimes I just use it to just plug it in and have the speedometer on there to just have the speed on there. But as far as tuning wise, it's not tuned by that anymore. I have carbon fiber little add-ons right here. I believe I got from eBay. I'll try to find the link for that again. It's all over this. My car is not manual, okay? This is just a shift boot and with the different knob, that's all it is, okay? I just covered it, it's still automatic. People always think it's manual, it's funny. Also have these metal pedals down here. I apologize for the noise. These are, I believe, are from eBay. And I forgot how much they were, but they're from eBay, all right? All right, so another big question I get is these seat covers that I have. You notice? They're really nice. They are from, I believe, Custom Interior, I believe, something like that. Like I said, I can't remember everybody's freaking names. It's a lot to remember. I'll put the picture on here. These seats actually aren't made for this car, and there's a full video on this as well, but these seats aren't for this car. As you can see, like, there's a little gap right there, okay? It's not, I mean, I like how it looks, but it's not fitted perfectly. And you can see back here as well. You can see the back, you can see it's how it's all, the back looks pretty solid, but like I said, it's not a perfect fit, okay? And even here it splits up and I have to re-zip it. But there it is, okay? That's how it looks. Again, there's that sunroof I was telling you about. As far as the interior, I think that is it. Oh, I have these as well. This is also aftermarket. Let's see, what else? What else is in here, guys? I believe that is it. Going back to the standard mode, just so you can get a better view of the steering wheel here, but very nice. Has SRT data on here. Again, Zen carbon fiber. Okay, they made the whole steering wheel with the paddle shifters. I just had to make them functional myself. But let's go ahead, let's start talking about... Oh, one last thing. I do have this key fob as well that came with the programmer, and it works really good. It's not the original key. The original key is actually, just saw it right now. I brought it with me. Here it is. You can see the difference between keys. This is the new one. That's the older one. This one doesn't have anything on the back, and this one has the Dodge on the back, okay? And it comes to programmer. Again, I got it on Amazon. Works really good. All right, let's start the car, because this car is not stock. It has some custom stuff done to it. So let's start her up. Pop open the hood. Pop the hood open. Alright, so I better turn off the engine, but let's just hear how it sounds. Kind of dirty engine bay, haven't washed the car in a little while. Let's go ahead, let's turn her off, just so you guys can hear me talk, so I don't know if you can hear me or not. Alright. So this car obviously has a 6.1 Hemi, that's stock. It has these MSD coil packs. I put them on a couple years ago. Supposedly they give it more power, but who knows? You know what I mean? I just like them because they're red, honestly, I ain't gonna lie. It does have a leg maker intake. The filter, I think I need to get a new one already. It's kind of old now. I definitely need a new reservoir tank right there for the coolant. It has a DC Sports strut tower right there, strut tower brace. It does improve handling up front. It's tighter, makes the steering wheel feel a little tighter, and take those front turns a little better as well. Now, modifications. So this car has Cook's long tube headers. I don't know if you could see them in there or not. I'll try to zoom in. You can see the headers right there. They're Cook's. I think you can see the Cook's right there, honestly. They are Cook's long tube headers. It does have Cook's catless mid pipes, and along with Borla exhaust, and as you saw, it has those carbon 5-inch tips. So that's the exhaust setup. This car is cammed. It has the SRT Max Plus cam in it. SRT AutoWorks installed it for me. It was a whole package they did for me, so pretty much it has the SRT Max Plus cam. They changed the cam phase limiter, the head gaskets, head bolts, valve jobs, valve seals, front timing cover, front crankshaft seals, timing chain sensor, tensioner. They dyno tuned it. They did it over at UMS, so they actually towed it over there to UMS. UMS tuned it because it's cammed, and they did an excellent job. So yeah, that's the performance, all the performance modifications on the Charger. If you have any questions, like I said, hit the comment section. Let's go back on the inside real quick. Yeah, so like I told you guys, I'll make sure to put links to everything in the description, so just make sure you guys head to the description. I do have new merch coming as well, so stay tuned for that. I already made the shirts. If you hit up srtdad.com, you can see them, but I'm not gonna release any advertisement until I actually get mine. I already ordered mine, so. But yeah, hit up srtdad.com if you want to see them and get a sneak preview. It's already on there. I just haven't told anybody. But yeah, those, I'll make sure, like I said, I'll make sure I put all the links in the description. If you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. Please make sure you share this video, you like it, you subscribe to SRT Dad. Like I said, hit the comment section. But if you guys have anything else, let me know in the comment section. I'm SRT Dad. This is all the modifications done to my 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. Hopefully I answered a lot of your guys' questions. Like I said, my DMs are freaking full. I'm out.
Go, go, go.